Thank you for joining Portrett Pharmaceuticals for a summary of our capabilities. Portrett Pharmaceuticals is a small molecule analytical testing laboratory that performs all of your CMC testing within your timelines with a 100% on-time delivery rate. We have a unique process flow that allows us to initiate testing within 1 business day of sample receipt. We perform real-time review on a daily basis, which minimizes errors in the laboratory or in the documentation. We strive to have a single analyst to perform all testing for a particular study. This streamlines the testing and minimizes the downtime of the analyst. Based on the testing needs, the analyst could perform 2 to 3 of the required tests on a single day. The report, or C of A, is drafted by the analyst or technical reviewer, so QA reviews the entire package at the same time. This minimizes the back and forth with QA and the lab team. In addition, QA is integrated into the project teams, so they hear firsthand the client's deadlines and needs. This really helps speed up the decision-making process when investigations are involved. We guarantee results within 3 weeks of sample receipt, but have historically averaged 2 weeks on testing such as stability samples and release of materials. We perform a wide range of testing from early phase method development and qualification to routine testing of raw materials, drug substances, and drug products. We will go over our specific capabilities in more details next. We really enjoy formulation development support work. We can prepare small batches of product for proof of concept work. We also can stage and store excipient compatibility studies. We have a lot of excipients in-house so that we can begin staging quickly. The large volume of samples that are common with excipient compatibility or prototype stability is no problem. We can also prepare salt chambers or store at unique temperatures and humidities as needed. Our GMP storage is performed by Precision Stability Storage in Wilson, North Carolina. They have storage chambers in all of the ICH conditions and have a few reach-in chambers that they can map to your required humidity and temperature conditions. As they are close by, sample receipt is quick and we have not had any issues regarding shipment. The samples are pulled and we start testing immediately. We trend the results and provide you with a summary spreadsheet after each pull point. We will now go over some of the instrumentation that we have and the capabilities that we have with each. For dissolution, we have apparatus 1 and 2. Our valves are fully calibrated annually. The manufacturer performs the mechanical calibration and the USP verification is performed by our analyst. We have a lot of experience developing methods for various BCS classes. We have worked on sublingual films, tablets, capsules, and even eye drops. HPLC is the most commonly used instrument in the analytical testing space, and we have both HPLC and UPLC capabilities. We employ Agilent and water systems and use Empower 3 as our data acquisition software. We primarily perform assay and impurities testing on drug substance, drug product, and raw materials. We also have the experience and capabilities to perform normal phase LC, which is often used for chiral purity analysis. Our instrument maintenance and annual performance qualification is performed in-house. For gas chromatography, we have direct inject and headspace capabilities. We routinely perform residual solvent analysis for API and some raw materials. We perform method verification of the USP 467 for the solvents of interest for your novel compounds and any other compendial requirements. In conjunction with UNCW, we have access to some LC and GC mass specs. We also have utilized the 600 MHz NMR for common proton and carbon NMR as well as quantitative NMR. We only perform R&D analysis using these instruments as they are not maintained per our instrument qualification SOPs. We also have a lot of other instrumentation and capabilities as shown here. We can perform most USP and EP excipient or API release. Please reach out if there's something that has not been covered or shown and we can let you know if we can perform. Here is a brief list of our primary instrumentation. Our team is made up of the founder, Kimberly Lupo. She has 19 years of experience in managing analytical teams in the CDMO space. Kimberly has had the fortunate experience to work on 2 products that were ultimately approved by the FDA. Our analysts are fully trained on all testing and equipment, creating enhanced efficiency and productivity. We integrate quality into everything we do, which helps streamline the testing. We would be happy to connect with you to discuss your testing needs or to help out in any other way possible. Please also connect with us on most of the social media platforms. Thanks so much.